Ossobuco with polenta that falls apart just like in a restaurant. I have these pieces of Ossobuco here, and I'm going to use 4 in total. And I'm going to start by tying them up with a string so that they don't split open. Once they're well tied up, let's season them. Salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and we'll massage the spices into the Ossobuco, and we'll season it like this on both sides with olive oil and salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Now we're going to put some oil in a frying pan and let the pieces of Ossobuco sear and fry well. When they are golden brown on one side, turn them over and let them brown on the other side as well. We'll let this meat get well sealed, and when it's like this, we'll remove the meat, and in the same pan, taking advantage of this flavor, we'll add a chopped onion, a carrot cut into small cubes, and also leek. We'll fry this onion with the carrot. We'll let it stew here for a few minutes. And then we're going to return to the meat, and I'm going to let this Ossobuco cook in the dry red wine. I'm going to put 500 ml of dry red wine here. I'm also going to add 500 milliliters of meat sauce and 300 ml of tomato sauce. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, salt to taste, and now we're going to give it a gentle stir and let this meat cook. And for that, I'm going to leave it covered. I'm going to let it cook on a low heat for 2 hours. And now we're going to make our polenta, and I'm going to put 600 ml of milk in this pan, 200 grams of cream, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and we'll stir and let it come to the boil. Once that's done, add half a cup of cornmeal and we'll stir non-stop with a whisk. When it's that creamy, we'll add 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese and some chopped parsley, and we'll keep stirring, and look how wonderful our polenta is. Now let's put it on the plate. And our Ossobuco is already cooked, people. Look how wonderful it is now. Let's put it here on top of our polenta, and let's assemble our dish that was perfect. I'm going to put a little bit of the sauce here on top, and also a little seasoning that I made with parsley. And look how perfect it is, people. This meat is very tasty. Just make it at home because everyone will love it. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.